What's going on, guys? Today's video we have a PlayStation 5 surprise giveaway for my cousin. We're gonna go and show you everything in this video. If you guys want to check out anything in the description down below, we do have a website called links.co/techreviewstv, which you can check out anything in the video with pictures, and you can easily find it with no extra cost to you. Without further ado, let's go and show you the whole process. Wednesday, March 1st, my cousin gets home from school at about 1:20. He has a minimum day today, so we have less than 3 hours to set this up. Let's go customize the PS5. Alright, so we got everything packaged and ready. It's 12:06. We're gonna start heading over there. Get ready. That's our fit for today. We're gonna go and show you it. Alright, this is what the fit's looking like. I don't know if you can see it. Just some black pants. We got my roll-up tees, a gray hoodie that we just got, and a black shirt underneath. Grab my keys and we're gonna head out. Let's go. You got yourself a coffee. We're ready to go. I arrived at my Theo's house, and this is what we're working with. So this is a little before he had a PlayStation 4 in this spot right here with an old TV. I will go ahead and clean the TV as well, but for now we're just gonna do a PlayStation 5 upgrade. If you guys want to see more upgrades for my cousin or in general for people, leave a like. Let's go ahead and reach 10K subscribers before the end of the month, hopefully. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna go ahead and set it up so it's a little more easier for him to actually comprehend, you know, and that way it just looks a little nicer and presentable. And this is the LEDs in action. Obviously, I did include the remote, the stand, so you can easily turn it horizontally if he decides to put it horizontally in the future. But for now, I'm going to put it in vertical mode just so we have more space to work with. This is the HDMI. It's brand new since I didn't use it. It's a 2.1 version, obviously. It's not going to work with the TV he has now. Full capability, but we will upgrade them in the future, hopefully. And also, we do have the custom controller that we went ahead and did. This is my personal favorite, obviously, because it's a black and red theme, and it's really good. He plays COD, but we also have God of War here, which it came with. They also has a controller holder for the desk, so if you want to mount it on the bottom, you can also do that as well. We're going to go to clean the TV real quick, just so it looks a little nicer, you know, just for him to probably see a little better when he's playing games and stuff like that. And this is a before and this is an after. I did hide a camera and we pretty much have 5 minutes left, so let's go ahead and roll the montage.
Yeah, walking around with drip on me, gotta make sure I don't fall. I got kids that's looking up to me, gotta watch the way I talk. When they talking all that fakery, I just don't get involved. Got them praying on my downfall, but they still gon' sing my song. They doing the same thing, they copy and pasting. Whole lot of hate, I see what you want, you don't gotta fake it. I'm feeling like Peyton, I'm about to go apes. Yeah,
I always give. I love giving. It just makes me happy when other people are happy, and just I want to encourage you guys to also give. It doesn't have to be expensive. It could be free, such as a like, you know? If you guys leave a comment, you're a real one, and I love people who actually do the comment. Leave something down below if you like the video, if you want something else for me to give away. It doesn't matter what the comment is. It could be in another language. It could be anything. Just leave a comment down below. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, let's go ahead and go check out his reaction.
What the crap?
Why'd you just walk back out?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Why are you walking out of your room? Let's go check out what's in your room. Come on. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know what it is?
No.
Check it out.
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Stop being a little baby and check it out. And what do you say to Eli?
Thank you.
Turn it on.
Okay. Wait, how?
Stand up.
You know how to turn it on. Come on.
Oh, like a normal PlayStation 4?
We'll grab a controller and turn it on. See if it works. What if it's fake? What if it's just a joke?
Yeah, I know.
Make sure it's real.
There.
I think he's getting a shy attack. So does it work?
I don't know.
Is it
I haven't
working,
turned
check?
it on yet.
You ready to buy Madden
We already have Madden.
for PS5?
We have to do that again?
Yes, we don't have Madden for PS5.
Oh, yeah.
Is it an HDMI one?
It's from HDMI 1.
think? You want to keep it?
Connect your controller
Want to
to
get whooped
console
on Madden later?
USB cable and press the PS
Do
button.
you want to get whooped on Madden?
Console
Get the cable.
USB cable.
Okay.
Connect your controller to the
Yeah.
console USB cable.
What is it?
Just connect it to which controller you want.
Con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS. Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS.
What is that?
Select your language.
Okay.
Select your time zone. To move, press the up and down button. Power options for rest mode.
Okay.
Press the up. Okay. PlayStation 5 system software. Check. Confirm. Add user.
Fat? Far? Far?
Sure.
Setup is complete. Welcome to your PlayStation 5. PlayStation.
The game in there, James. You can try it out.
Okay.
Where is it? In here? It's in here?
Oh, what? No. It's like a little code.
Alright, we'll try this one out, James. Then we'll get you Madden later. What do you say to Eli?
Thank you.
You like it?
Yes.
You want to keep it?
Yes.
Or you want Xbox?
I thought about doing that, but...
Prank him? No, he likes PlayStation.
You like PlayStation, James?
Yeah.
Scared of the camera, so he's acting like
No,
a little
I'm not.
baby. There you are.
No, I'm not.
It'll be the same one as the PS4, huh?
Yeah.
Or I gotta make one.
It should be the same one.
It should be the same one.
Didn't we get the PS4 when it was 3?
Probably. You were a little kid.
I still am.
Are you still being shy?
Settings.
What do you think?
Settings.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Test internet
Yeah.
connection.
How happy?
Unselectable item.
I
Replay. Test
Sure.
internet settings.
100.
Connect.
You're 100 happy?
100 out of 10.
Set up
No,
internet connection.
No. Jillian.
Connecting to the
Jillian's
access
happy?
point.
Yeah.
Were you just being shy? Were you in shock?
Circle button. Cancel.
You were in shock?
And camera shy?
Yeah.
I think he's camera shy. Why are you hiding behind me?
I don't have a camera. Once I stopped recording completely, he got more happy and happy each time because, you know, I was up close, like super close. Like I was like 0.5 type of thing, just all up in his face, like the paparazzi and stuff like that. So that's how it felt. So I do get what he was, you know, little camera shy and stuff like that. I know it is. But yeah, he was very happy. I did record a good amount because I had a camera off to the side like I showed you before, and it was recording most of the time. But once I stopped that camera, he actually got even more excited, and he was actually like hyped about the games and stuff that he could play. You know, the controllers that he has, they're two really good custom controllers. The white one, it just has a grip. It's just a purple one. The black one is my favorite. Spent like $100 on that perfect controller. Has trigger stops, has grip, we have O-rings in there that we included. We have LED mod, we have all that. Really cool bundle. This whole bundle costs probably around $600 to $700. So the bundle itself was $450, $500 with tax. The black controller was $100. The LED was about $50. So that's about what, $650 to $700, right around there. He definitely deserved it. I mean, I didn't really use it. I was gonna give it away anyways. He's gonna have a way better time playing any of his favorite games. He mainly plays Fortnite, MW2, Warzone, stuff like that. Mind-blowing good when it comes to COD, and it's crazy. So however, I did upgrade them on the Wi-Fi and a Wi-Fi mesh system. I don't know if they're using it, but I did upgrade them on that as well. So hopefully it helps with the performance a little bit and range, especially range. So more consistent flow when he's playing games and stuff like that. If you guys want more blessings on more people, not just family, I want to bless you guys, my lucky subscribers. Once we hit 10K subscribers, we're gonna give something else away. So just stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, boost the algorithm. We need that 10K. We need that 10K before the end of the year. I know you guys can make it happen. Thank you guys for watching though. See you guys in the next one. We out.